Welcome to another segment of Lousje and Bean Behind the Scene. It is Couch Talk Day, Sunday. Welcome, lovelies. Here we are. It is Sunday at Lousje's couch. Charlie is all tuckered out from thunderstorms and bad weather, and it literally exhausts him because he shakes like a leaf. And I'm so glad I don't live in Niagara Falls, where they have, I think it's going to start again, fireworks every night. Although there's petitions that the people from Niagara Falls who live there would like to bring it back to just a weekend. Oh my goodness, I can't imagine, because you would have an anxiety dog and you have to stay home every night because how can you leave them alone? Anyway, enough of that. This topic is about cutting pants. One of you lovely lovelies asked, how do I cut my jeans? And so it is very easy. I will show you. It's an interesting topic because we talk about length of pants a lot. And there's different kinds of pants, of course. You have the cropped pants. And if you like cropped pants, then you buy them and you don't have to do anything. Like, for instance, the up pants. We have the step hem with the up pants. We have the hem with the black border and a pattern. Cropped, you don't, you leave that. You can't, because then you would destroy the hem detail, because that is the detail of the pants, is the attraction to those pants. But the jeans, if you buy skinny jeans from Liverpool, from Yoga jeans, they are all quite long. That's of course understandable because there's tall women, there's shorter women. Mine are usually so long that I have about this much is extra. And what do you do? So of course you can go to your tailor, you get them hemmed, and they can do a beautiful job that you get that little hem back that you like so much with the double stitching with the jeans. It's a little mustard color thread they usually use. Not on every jean, sometimes it's white, but yeah, on this too they use a mustard color thread, which is particular to jeans fabric, right? So you can have that little hem back and have it shortened. I like the little frayed look right now. It's in. I think it's nice. It's a little nonchalant. It's a little bohemian. So I cut my own jeans, and then if I want, I can still roll it a little bit. That makes them a little bit shorter. If not, let them out, and then I have that little frayed edge that I think is cute. So what I do is I measure from my inseam to my ankle exactly where I would like to have it when I have it out, just so with the frayed look. So the way you go about it is you think how you want them cropped, right? Quite a bit above your ankle, rolled up with a little hem. So you would allow 2 inches for that to roll the hem. You want a tiny hem. If you want a bigger roll, if you want a bigger cuff, you need more inches. It's logical, right? So you would cut your pants to where you want it, and then you can fray the edges very easily. And then you roll a 1/2 inch and another 1/2 inch, and that is my cuff. There you go. You can see how easy it is. So we have the wide-legged pants, the Lily jeans in the boutique. We've had them in the jeans fabric, and we have them in the white. I took the jeans, the denim ones, home this winter, and I wore them the way they were, great. And then I thought, oh, I like that little fraying edge on them, so I cut just a little hem off and then started to fray, and I'm very happy with that look. It's quite cropped, right? And then of course you've got the lantern pants, you leave them. The linen are Emmy pants, nice and long, grazing almost your toes, right, when you wear sandals. So there's certain pants that I really like longer. Certain pants I like shorter. I think you be playful with it, right? And have fun. I've never been known to be scared to cut. I have a crop jacket from Creases, the linen crop jacket that I had a few years ago. And the sleeves are this long and they're very tight. So for me to roll them all the time was a chore. So I cut them. I just cut them right here underneath my wrist bone. And if I feel like it, like I want them long like this, because it's a little frayed by now, I leave it, and otherwise I just roll it. But it's a lighter roll, and of course you can hem them on a machine, but I kind of like this free-falling look. It's not for everybody. I'm just saying what I do. So, okay, lovely. What I'm wearing today is from Liverpool, the Gia Skinnies. And I cut them and I hem them. I roll to hem. If you roll the hem and you kind of do a little pressing, they will stay all day. And the other thing is, so comfortable. I wear the 34 and it's no zipper, no button, so tons of stretch, amazing. Women have asked, why do you not always carry a whole line of jeans? It's very difficult for us to get jeans. They're always sold out. They are the manufacturer, that is. So when we can, we bring them in. So keep on checking if you can't find your size or style. So my most favorite thing to wear with the skinny jeans is a crop top. I love the Lousje and Bean crop tops. This is the one from Catharines. This is high-end summer crop topping. And I wear a tank, same a cami underneath. I quite often like to wear a long tank. Lousje and Bean now has a white one too. And because I like to not really show this part, even though I can. I don't know, it's something in my mind that I'm not comfortable with. So I always like to cover this part, my tummy, and a little bit below the hip. So I can still wear a crop top, but I wear something underneath. And of course the crop jackets from Creases, love. The Marilla Loon sweaters, love. There's some Saget and Plover sweaters. I have one. I wear it with the lilies, with the lily pants. I really like that outfit. And yeah, you play with different things, but it's one of my favorite. If I wear a pair of jeans, this is one of my favorite tops to pair it with. In the swing collection, I found this cutest little purplish fuchsia white polka dot little scarf that goes very nicely with the top. I have a beautiful Ayala bar necklace, and I've got Siska dropped earrings. So I feel very casual. I keep on wearing this. This is so lovely. So lovely. This is Siska, of course. Amazing. So last week was a fun week online. Boutique was still closed, but we had an amazing sale, right? Every day something else. Thank you so much for supporting us through this whole time and for being patient and excited for us. And we'll give you updates on what's going on for sure. You'll be the first one to know. And I have a few updates of the home Glenn and I bought. It's really coming together now. I think I've said this a few times, but now it's really, really coming together. All the bathrooms are tiled, the hallway, oh my God, it's a wower. We were not allowed in the house for a good week because it needed to dry, the crowd, everything. The painters are coming in soon, and Kristen and I will do a video very soon for you, because now there's something to look at, right? There's you can see the difference. So now I'm buying tabs, and tabs. I have to buy a sink. We looked at the countertops, and soon we will start looking at the light process. Kristen is doing a reno in her kitchen, and we were just talking about the lights, how difficult she finds it to find original, unique looking pieces that are not chintzy. Well, we are definitely not looking for chintzy, but I told her that in the wintertime, when we were just getting thoughts on doors, replacing our front door maybe, no, not, and all this. So we went to a few salvage stores, and we found this one in Dundas. It's called Graham and Brooks. It's an amazing store. It's in an old factory building. The people were unbelievably helpful, and they had salvaged lamps and all kinds of things from older homes. Aside from that, they sold new stuff, and absolutely beautiful. A little pricey for sure, but something different, right? If you're looking for unique. So Kristen is going to take a trip there soon, and I think Glenn and I will have to go back and look, because lights are very important, and in our case a little tricky because it's tricky. So that is our next outing, is probably going to light stores. Other than that, Glenn gives me free carte blanche with the tabs, the countertop, and things like that. So I'm very fortunate what that's concerned, and I've bought them, and that was okay. It's not much to choose for, but if we want to go back into periods what they used then, it's impossible because they probably used a pump, right, or something. But it's, yeah, I'm happy with what I bought. Okay, I think I'm going to say goodbye to you. I'm gonna ask you to, or tell you to enjoy your Sunday. And oh my goodness, the week is going so fast. If when it's Friday and garbage has to go out, I always think, I cannot believe it's Friday again. It means we're having fun, I think. And I hope you keep on having fun as well and keep on smiling.